Hey everybody, I have this is a DeLonghi ceramic space heater. Looks like this. Makes a super annoying beeping sound. With the help of somebody on Amazon, I figured out that this is the speaker. So I've just been stabbing inside and the noise has got much quieter. I'll cover it with duct tape. Yeah, you need in order to take mine out, it was 2 Phillips boots and then 2 spanner screw driver bits, which is super annoying. And it would only fit, a bit holder won't fit. It will only hold the shaft, a 1/4 inch